Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about a watch band that I got, several weeks ago. A marketing company reached out to me and they said, geez, we'll send you a watch band. You try it out and let us know what you think. Create a video about it, and we'll give the people who like this watch band, if you do like it, I think it's a 10% discount. And so I started a video a few weeks ago when I first got the band in. Now, they make these bands for Apple watches, Garmin watches, Fitbit watches, smartwatch, most watch brands out there, all the major brands. And I also have a Garmin watch, but this is a Fitbit Sense 2 watch, and I always hated, so it came with two different bands, the watch did, and when I originally purchased it, and the one band was way too small for my wrist. The second band, it was a real hassle taking it on, putting it off, because with these smartwatches, you got to charge them. And so I did want a new band for it. I had already purchased another band, which I didn't like. And so Bandletic, I think that's how you pronounce the company, sent me this watch band. And you're going to see me putting this watch band on in the rest of this video. But I've had it on for a few weeks. I'm an outdoors type person. This is a Velcro type quick snap on it. Easy on, off. Super easy to switch the watch bands themselves for the Fitbit watch. I really like this an awful lot, and I get lots of offers for various different products that people want to get a short YouTube video or some other video as well. So I like this watch band a lot. It's super easy to go ahead and put on and take off, and it's, well, I'm under equipment inside of machines working all the time. This works fantastic. It hasn't gotten oil or grease on it yet, but it really is good. And they make them stylish for people as well. This is like a working man or adventures watch band, and I absolutely love it. I'll probably see if I can get one for my Garmin watch as well. I just think that they're great. So what you're going to see in the rest of this video is just me putting the watch band on and then looking at it with a couple comments within a couple of days after using it. But now I've had it on for weeks. I love it. There'll be a discount code. I think it's Kevin 10. I think it's 10% off for the watch band of your choice. Anyways, that'll be in the description below. Recently, a company, Bandletic, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, contacted me because of my YouTube channel and some of the reviews I've done, and they sent me their latest band to fit my Fitbit watch. Now I've got this Fitbit. I think it's considered a smart health monitoring device. I like it because it's got a pretty nice digital display, but I hate the band. It came with two different bands. One was way too small. This one's larger, and I really don't like how when I feed it through and when I pop this on and then try to feed it through like this, sometimes this pops right back off again, and well, it's just frustrating. So I'm going to change it out, the band, with a new band that they sent me. So here's some instructions. Looks pretty straightforward, and it's a Velcro easy on watch band. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like this for a second and see if I can figure this out. So if it's like this, So this is the underside here. Okay. So I believe I just push up on this to get it to release. Yep. And that's insecure. And I push up on that again to release. There's a little tab here. I just push up to get the band to release. And I just push this back in. Okay, it is secured now. Now open this up. Hopefully it's big enough for my wrist. Now let's see how this. Or should I have done it the other way? Let's see. Okay, it fits nicely, adjustable, so I can make it loosened up some. That was a real nice, easy switch. So let's see if I take it off to charge it. Slides right off. I can go put it on the charger. I think it's a pretty attractive unit. Now, is this the way that I want to put it on? Okay, I like this. We'll give it a try over the next few days here. We'll report back and let you know what we think. So I've been using this watch band now for several hours, and it's comfortable. I can work inside of the equipment that I'm working on. I was just working on a track loader, working on some hydraulic lines. It snags on some things, but it would break free, but it's holding up beautifully. I think it's an attractive watch band, but most of all, I like how easy it is to take on and take off, so I charge it every day. Just makes it really, really nice, and it's very comfortable. Very nice watch band.